In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix misaligned labels in Microsoft Word. Start by opening Microsoft Word and opening the document containing your labels. Once the document is open, go to the Layout tab at the top of Word. Select Margins, then choose Normal to make sure the document is using standard page margins. Next, check the label layout itself. Go to the Mailings tab and select Labels. In the Labels window, select Options. Here, make sure the correct label vendor and product number are selected. The label size needs to match the actual label sheets you are using. If the wrong label type is selected, the text and borders may not line up correctly when printed. After selecting the correct label, choose OK, then select New Document. Word will create a new document using the selected label dimensions. This gives you a properly aligned label layout to work with. Now click inside one of the labels and check the text alignment. If the text is too close to one side, select the text and use the alignment options on the Home tab. Choose Center Alignment if you want the text positioned in the middle of the label. You can also adjust the spacing inside the label. Select the text, then open the Paragraph settings from the Home tab. Check the spacing before and after the paragraph, and make sure it is not creating unnecessary gaps. Set the spacing to match the rest of the labels. Next, check the font size. Select the label text, and choose an appropriate font size from the Home tab. If the text is too large, it may move outside the label area or cause the lines to shift. Reducing the font size slightly can help keep the text within the correct boundaries. Now check the table alignment. Label templates in Word are commonly arranged using a table structure. Click inside the label and go to the Table Layout tab. Select Properties, then check the row and column settings. Make sure the dimensions are consistent, so each label remains the same size. Before printing the entire sheet, use Print Preview to check how the labels are positioned on the page. Look at the spacing around the edges and between each label. If everything appears aligned in the preview, print a test page on regular paper first and place it behind the label sheet. Hold both pages up to the light to compare the positions. If the printed text still does not line up, check the printer settings and make sure the paper size and scaling are correct. Avoid using options that automatically shrink or enlarge the document. Once the test page lines up correctly, you can print the labels with greater confidence. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,